Wow. That was amazing. Mona, in a million years, did you ever think you'd be running out in the Lane Stadium with 30,000 dancing Hokies?
That was absolutely incredible. But I thought the official Virginia Tech dance was the Hokey Pokey.
For some that can master those more complicated moves, yes, but for me, it's Enter Sandman. So.
When I saw all of you standing up, jumping up and down, I thought that if only one person had stood up and jumped up and down, how lonely and uncomfortable and strange that would look. But when everyone stood up, when everyone jumped up, you were a force, a movement that couldn't be stopped. To really live up to your incredible motto of service, there will be times in your life when you will have to stand up. And sometimes you may be the first person to stand up, and it will be lonely, and you'll feel powerless and uncomfortable, and you may even be scared, and others may tell you to sit down.
I'm just trying to remember the first Hokie who started the Enter Sandman tradition. And that was either one very, very brave person, or maybe they were just under the influence. But, they started something special, something we all appreciate. And as for the more serious matters in life, where would we be without those brave souls who are willing to go it alone and take a stand? Hokies, today I'm asking you to prepare yourself for the day. Make a commitment to take a stand in service for others. When it is you or no one, when you will go all in for a cause greater than yourself. Everyone, stand up. Take out your cell phones. Oh, your smartphones. I've been authorized to give you your last assignment here at Virginia Tech, and I know it's a tough one. Please take a selfie and send it to #IWillServe.
All right, we're going to do this. You guys, everybody else too.